Show you how to use the paper push-up tubes for the deodorant. These tubes are recyclable and biodegradable, which means you can put them in your compost after you take the label off. Turn it to the side, find the safety seal, run a fingernail across it to break it. Pull open the tube. You'll see the product inside. You want to push on one side on the bottom, flip it over and push on the other side. If the product does seem a little stubborn coming out that first time, which is common, you can just warm it up a little, run your fingers back and forth, and then try again and push firmly to get it started that first time. See, is it coming up? Now my fingers are quite short. So when I get to the end of the product, sometimes I need a little help. I have arthritis, so I have an adaptable toothbrush, and I'll use the bottom of the toothbrush to push up on to get the product to come out. And especially when it comes you're near the top, I'll use that to get out the last little bit. And there you go. You don't want to push up too much, just have a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with this product, so you should be good to go.